मैं वो इधर नहीं बोल रहे, वो पैसे कमा के लेके आए हो। मैं क्या बोलता डिस्चार्ज किए, सीधा मैं अजमान में वापस आया, बिकॉज देर इज 60 पीपल सर, माई डाउनलाइंस इज देयर, आई वांट टू हेल्प देम, राइट। दैट टाइम आफ्टर दैट आई दिस ऑल पैरालाइज्ड हो गया मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड, लेफ्ट राइट लेग ऑल्सो, आई टू मच ऑफ पेन, दिस हेड है ना ऐसे ऐसे ज्यादा नहीं आएगा। वो टाइम वो समय टाइम पे मैं इधर रेस्टिंग कर रहे, वो टाइम मेरे एसोसिएशन सिस्टम भी मिस नहीं किया, इनको अपना डाउनलाइंस नहीं लेके गया मेरे को। वो बोलते जलील भाई तुम इधर रखो, मैं कैसे भी हम लोग कैसे भी करके हम लोग को बिट करेगा, तुम उधर बैठो, रेस्ट करो। मैं उनको बोला तुम मेरे को नहीं लेके गया तो मैं क्या करेगा, मैं टैक्सी पे आ जाएगा। वो मेरे को नहीं लेके गया, लेकिन मैं एक बड़ी बोलते ना बड़ी स्टिक से मैं इसे रोड के साइड पर गया, एक टैक्सी पकड़ के मैं दुबई अपना होल्ड इन अटेंड किया मेरा विसल। दैट टाइम आई नेवर मिस इट। सो छोटी excuses guys, we can't reach anywhere. Excuses coming, all excuses will come. എല്ലാ എക്സ്ക്യൂസും വന്നുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ, ഒരു സാധനം മിസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നിൽക്കരുത്.
Excuses keep coming, we should not miss anything in our life.
All things, if the excuse is telling कौन लेके आएगा पैसे के पैसे चाहिए ना। अभी आप अपने को बोले डाउनलाइंस बोलते पैसे के पैसे ही चाहिए ना यार, पैसे नहीं है क्या करूं, पैसे नहीं है, पैसे के पैसे चाहिए ना, पैसे के पैसे चाहिए, लेकिन क्या करना है? हाँ? बाबर स्टोरी मालूम है ना, वो एक्टिविटी करना ही पड़ेगा, राइट। सो वो एक्टिविटी में एक्सक्यूज बोलेगा तो प्रोडक्शन आएगा नहीं आएगा, राइट। सही। सो दैट्स मच pain I already faced everything. I think this much of pain someone have, I don't know, this much pain. So 2 times I already dead, then after wake up. After means actually I was the graveyard, like only one word, that's getting graveyard that time. After that I wake up, then I never stop anywhere. Right. So this all things means all things, right. This excuses, ഇതുവരെ ഞാനൊരു എക്സ്ക്യൂസോ എൻ്റെ അപ്ലയൻസിൻ്റെ അടുത്തുള്ള എക്സ്ക്യൂസോ മറ്റുള്ള എക്സ്ക്യൂസോ ഒന്നും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല.
I have never told any excuses to my uplines.
Only my reason, I want to be somewhere, I have a visions, I have a goal where I want to be reached. That time this activity never, when I got that realization, one activity, never miss it. The association vessel system, everything for me is the very important. That's why I am standing in front of you. If I can stand here, guys, you can also 100%. Everywhere we are doing, I was the moronic number 1 person that time. You don't know very well, you don't know me, because my first sister, she's don't have an eyes, because ഞാൻ പന്തിട്ട് എറിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് അവളെ കണ്ണു കളഞ്ഞത്.
I throw a ball at my sister's eye and she don't have an eye now.
The second sister, she don't have in this she has, but joint വിട്ടതാ, ഞാൻ പാത്രം കൊണ്ട് എറിഞ്ഞതാ.
The second sister, her hands are broken because I have thrown a plate at her.
Right. Then third sister, she's tried for the suicide in the fan, because എൻ്റെ ഉമ്മ എന്തോന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടില്ല, ഞാൻ വടിയോണ്ട് ഒരു അടി അടിച്ച് പോയിട്ട് തൂങ്ങാൻ പോയി.
My third sister tried for suicide because my mom told me something but I didn't like and I scolded her.
That's much dangerous person that time no, that was when I started the Pravasi, that life. Because this business, when I got the business, actually I became a human being, guys, understand, because of the business. റൈറ്റ്. സോ ഇമാജിൻ, എന്നിട്ട് പോലും എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും എന്നെ റെസ്പെക്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു.
Still, everyone respected me in my family.
ബിക്കോസ് എൻ്റെ ക്യാരക്ടർ ഒരു പ്രാന്തൻ ക്യാരക്ടർ ആണെങ്കിലും ഉള്ളിനുള്ളിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്നേഹമുണ്ട്.
Everyone knows that I am mad, but everyone knows that still inside I am so loving person.
ബിക്കോസ് ഓൺലി ഈ ഒരൊറ്റ കാര്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ, എനിക്ക് ഇത്രയും കടം വീട്ടണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ തീർക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, എൻ്റെ ഫിസിക്കലി പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ തീർക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഈ ഒരു ഇതിൽ നിന്നല്ലാണ്ട് എനിക്ക് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ കഴിയില്ല.
If I want to solve all my problems, my health problems, my family problems, I just have one solution with me, is this business.
Right. So after that, alhamdulillah, alfu marra, all things now, I think here, the new property, 1.5 million, already bought it from this business. And the second things, and this nearby the Kochi one flat already bought it, because when I with the Kochi, I want to live and stay alone on my property, already got it. And Calicut landmark building also got it. And under 60 kids and orphanage people are 160 എത്തിമക്കൾ പോയിട്ട് അതേ ബിസിനസ്.
160 people orphans are having food from my orphanage.
എൻ്റെ ഫാദറിന്റെ പേരിൽ ഒരു പള്ളി നിർമ്മിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കണം, അതൊരു ബിസിനസ്.
I am making a mosque in the name of my father.
Because only I focusing only one direction, that's my goal, my target, my business target, my self target, everything I focusing, that's only that point. I nothing looking surrounding my surrounding. Many morons, people, fuckers, they're disturbing me, but I never listen. Why I am here? Because only are you guys understand? Only 3 things you have to do in your life. Then you did, guys, which I did. I sharing you that 3 things. Only one thing. One is, please stop listen other moron. Please stop listen yourself, and please stop asking freaking fuck up question to upline. Blindly follow. That's it. You done everything you done. That's only I sharing you. Because without activity never get the result. Just think about yourself. Am I doing the correct activity? The first 2 scenario I saying you. This only ratio, the business have 2 things. Only one ratio and senses. Ratio is 10:2. If you doing the 10 information means what? Information what are you doing the business just to share in the other person, right? Why we need to that person's phone निकाल के oh ये बंदा phone business में आएगा नहीं आएगा? Why? That's his decision, right? Just to inform. That's it. If am I doing in the mobile shop, I'm also explain which is the product to the people, right? Otherwise never get in the sales, right? Same, just to information. If you doing in the 10 information, 2 invitation will get from the. If you doing like that 10 invitation, definitely 2 plan will get it. Like that 10 plan you showing, definitely 2 people sign up your business. That's a guaranteed. That's only mantra. Some people are doing one information, उसको पीछे भाग रहे हैं. क्या information पास क्या, इन्वेस्टिगेशन ये कुछ भी नहीं है. The inventation के बाद फिर भी उसको पीछे एक आदमी एक साइन अप होगा तो वो वेट कर रही है 20 DR गाने के लिए. ऐसा भी है, right? After the sign up, the one person in the business, he waiting for hitting his 20 DR. What the hell? So focus the process, means focus. If I want to go in Abu Dhabi, I want to from here going to outside and sit in my car and start and reverse and signal everything I want to reach, and 1.5 hour 2 hour need to take reach in the Abu Dhabi, right? So where I focus in Abu Dhabi or the process, right? So if we 100% focus in our process, in goal, our settings, that's also activity, right? Everything. That's after fund. Ultimately, we get the result. Same. When we focus the information, the proper information, sit with your upline, how the properly give the information, and try the mock call and information. Then after the 10 information, then 10 invitation, then 10 plan. We'll get it. Like that, if you doing within 3 months, guys, I did. Why not you? I did within 3 months, 20 years to finish, right? Finish. Why need the, some people I ask you when you start the business 1.5 year, then 1 minute 22 year. Why? Still now that the people are the 30 years, the freaking 30 years they are doing the job. We need the like that. 30 years, 20 years, 25 years, we need to like the job again. Within 2 years, the finish now. If I 2.5 year, only 2.5 year, right? If I am following the 100% my upline, then ഇതിനേക്കാളും മുന്നോട്ടേക്ക് എത്താമായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ 100% ഫോളോ ചെയ്യണം.
If I would have followed 100%, I would have reached my goal long before.
Right? Now I train. Because yesterday, ഇന്നലെ സച്ചിൻ സാറായിട്ട് ഞാൻ വൈകുന്നേരം സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ സച്ചിൻ സാർ ബിസിയാ.
Yesterday when I was talking with Bhaiya, Sachin sir was busy.
Why busy? He's doing the plan. We partners also in the activity never stop. Why I need to stop my activity? Why I need to stop? Why you need to stop your activity? They are not stopped their activity. Right? Where I am? Nothing, guys. Never reach anywhere. So I have ഒരുപാട് വഴികൾ ഇനി പോകണ്ട്.
I have a long way to go.
Right? So no need any other judgment, no need to the wait. Time is the gone. Time will not come back. Right? Each then അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ പറയാൻ പറ്റും, എന്റെ കണ്ണടഞ്ഞാൽ എന്റെ മക്കൾ മറ്റുള്ളവർ മുമ്പിൽ കൈ നീട്ടേണ്ട സിറ്റുവേഷൻ വരില്ല. വല്ലാഹി ഇൻഷാ അല്ലാഹ്.
I can proudly tell now that if my eyes are closed, my children never beg anyone.
Because of this business, I can proudly saying you. Just this activity, you know, just AV please that picture. Only this is the effort. Not only me, the some peoples, this much the Kottakkal market and Dubai market and everywhere is there. This is only activity production. Not only my activity. What I doing? I trying to the someone to help them fulfill their dream. That's why happening like that. So imagine this is like that. We need to make the system each and everyone. We doing the system centric business, right? Each and separate business, right? So my business, I need the different market, different system, because I create, that's my target, that's my goal, that's my vision everywhere. Now look in the 3 markets, there is also looking like that. So same, we have to have a perfect plan. Without activity, never come like that. So many people are doing fulfill their dream also, right? Because എനിക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഉറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റും? I think if 10-20 പേര് ഈ എൻ്റെ ബിസിനസ്സിൽ ഒരു 100 പേര് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു 20 പേര്, അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് 20 people, 20 പേര് എൻ്റെ ബിസിനസ്സിൽ ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ,
how can I sleep if 20 people are there with me?
How I can to eat also. ഈ 20 ആൾക്കാരുടെ ലൈഫ് ചേഞ്ച് ആക്കിയിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ,
how can I eat something if I can't change these people's life?
ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചാൽ പോലും എനിക്ക് അതിന്റെ താഴത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങില്ല.
If I eat also, it will not digest.
Right? That's much dedication we need, guys. That's why calling the warriors is the coming inside, outside no. Right? We need to come inside. The warriors, not is the word warrior. Are you warrior or a warrior? No, I'm a warrior. This is coming inside. Right? From the activity, now definitely will get the result. Which I did. This is only I following 10 information every day 10 information. So some people are saying अभी जो आप अपने बोल दिया सही है, मैं करते मेरे को क्या किया, 2 sign-up आया, दा वेरने അടുത്ത വീക്ക് ഓൺ ആ പൈസ ഉറക്കിയ.
The 2 sign-ups I got, here comes the week on and I spend my money there.
Then after the week on I got the fire, then again I implement the activity, then after got the some result, then got the cash, and again another DW is coming. There
also the money gone.
So because the people is thinking like that, do we have any running capital in the business? No, right? Working capital or running capital, what is the calling? We don't have any, right? So yeah, definitely week on DWD and QSP, everything is the coming, come back again, every time is the coming. But our activity, why stopping? If we stopping the activity, same like that we continuously telling, yeah, week on came, that's why gone, expense is the high, then other DWD came and expenses is the high. You thinking about the expense, then expense is the consequent, continuously will come. Because after DWD, then few months, few days is we trying to the activity, then after that stop, then income already gone. Then he thinking income is expense, then activity stop, then how we come to the money, right? Never stop in the activity, right? Everything is the coming from our activity, goals, everything, right? Which I did, that's only, that 3 things I sharing you, right? Stop yourself, listen, stop, listen others, stop is listen yourself, and freaking fuck up questions पूछना पूरा बंद करो. किसका? अपने से. Blindly follow, blindly, then inshallah you will be here also here, right? Nothing, this is not a rocket science, this is not a rocket science. देखो मैं अंदर से बोल रहा है क्या, कुछ लैंग्वेज अगर सम टाइम हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मलयालम, मेरा खुद लैंग्वेज मलयालम भी कभी भी नहीं मालूम रहेगा, लेकिन ये मेरे को यही मालूम है 3UV चेक, वो कैसे हेल्प करने का अदर्स, वो तो मालूम पड़ता है. जस्ट वो सीखो, बाद में सब कुछ आ जाएगा, राइट? ये रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. नेक्स्ट टाइम so many people want to be here, all week on, all DWD, these our fundamental rights, right? This stage, each one of you, that's your fundamental rights. We want to be here. This is for us, not another morons, right? Then your story, just share, then you make the money. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റോറി പറയുന്നത്, ഞാൻ പൈസ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നു.
I share my life story and I make my money.
I story share means why after 2 years now, then finish. Only story every time is the coming. But illegal issues will come. So normally, right? All millionaires, business people have legal issues. Even MI is really last in the Kerala, Kochi police station, 45 cases he has. What he doing? Same. Because we are doing the millions business. Everywhere the issues will come. But no one come help you. Right? No one come. That's why the circle inspectors, other officers also signed in the business. Right? So, if you sleeping that time, the plan ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആളുകൾ വരികയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ yes, we want to be ready to take the plan also. If you between the sleeping in the midnight 3 o'clock.
If you are sleeping time also the plans are there, you should go and take the plans.
Right. That time that's much 24/7 we have to alert. 24/7 we have to switch on. Right. We have to 24/7 switch on. Guys, understand, before leaving this QSB, you have to take one decision internally, then prove in the market, everything come true. Okay? Thank you guys, love me. Love you. Thank you.